Hello, Mexico. Hola. That is how you say hello in Spanish. Spanish is the official language of Mexico. Mexico is a country in North America. It is south of the United States. Some people think the country of Mexico looks like a tornado. Others think it looks like a triangle. What do you think? Open spaces. Mexico has mountains, deserts, and beaches. People like to go swimming and snorkeling in the oceans. People from all over the world visit Mexico's sunny beaches. There are also many farms in Mexico. Farmers grow corn, beans, fruit, and other crops. The rich soil and warm weather make it a good place to farm. Fiesta. A fiesta is a fun celebration in Mexico. Dancers wear colorful outfits. Musicians play traditional music, and everyone eats their favorite foods. Breaking open a piñata is another fun thing to do at a fiesta. The piñata is full of candy and toys. Everyone takes a turn hitting the piñata to crack it open. Tortillas are a kind of flat, round Mexican bread. They can be made from cornmeal or wheat flour. Tortillas are often filled with meat, beans, or cheese. Crispy fried tortilla chips are eaten with salsa, another popular Mexican food. Salsa is made by mixing chopped tomatoes, onions, and chili peppers. Salsa can be mild or very spicy. Art and history. Mexico is also famous for its silver. Silver comes from deep underground mines. Artists use the silver to make beautiful jewelry and decorations. Mexico is known for other kinds of artwork too. These colorful blankets are just one example of the beautiful art made by the talented artists of Mexico. Some of the most famous places in Mexico are very old. They are the remains of buildings that are more than 1,000 years old. This pyramid was built by the ancient Mayan people. The Aztec people also lived in Mexico. Many of their cities were destroyed by explorers and settlers who came to Mexico from other countries. The people of Mexico are proud of their country and its history. Mexico today. Mexico has both small towns and big cities, just like any other country. The largest city is Mexico City. It is the capital of Mexico. Millions of people live and work there. There are many new shops, homes, and office buildings in Mexico City. There are also buildings that are hundreds of years old. It is like the country of Mexico itself. It is a very modern country, whose people are also proud of their history.